Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Okay guys, it is like 3:35 on a Wednesday. If you can't tell, I'm sick. I've got like a really sore throat and it's swollen. It's not terrible. I just have a hard time talking and like swallowing and eating. But Savannah actually went to bed not feeling great last night, and then she ended up coming into our bed around 5, and 5:30 she got up sick. And she only got sick one time, but she has been in bed all day. It is 3:36. She's just watched movie after movie after movie, and that is so not Savannah. I can't like keep her still. She's just very active, and the girl is an eater. Like, she eats and drinks like crazy, and she's hardly eaten anything. Of course, I'm keeping water down her, but I have to like make her drink it. But she finally just decided to get up and she wanted to go relax in the bath. So I thought I'd go ahead and start this vlog so you guys would have one for Friday. I'm so excited to announce that I'm going to be sharing the merch on this vlog. I'm going to try everything on for you. I'll either insert clips or just do it while I'm talking, but I'm so sorry guys, it's so hard to talk. I definitely wanted you guys to see how they fit and what I think about them, if you need to like size up or down. So if you guys want to wait and watch this before you go on order, I will try to give you some tips or tricks that you know that you might need to know, or you might not if you know your size. So I'll be sharing that. Tonight we actually had a meeting with our accountant for the first time, because Chase normally does our taxes, but with YouTube, we're just going to let somebody else do it. And so I was supposed to be meeting Chase here in a little bit, but since Savannah's not feeling well, I didn't want to leave her. So Chase is just going to meet with the accountant, and I hope everything goes well. And then I'm going to have him bring us like soup or something home. And so it's going to be a really chill night. It is also like cold and rainy. It was supposed to be like 60 degrees today, and it just never got warm. So it's actually been the perfect like day to be sick, because we've done nothing. I finally just took the sheets off the bed to wash before me and Chase get back in them tonight, since Savannah, you know, has been sick. I just like to wash the sheets anytime she's in there. Like tomorrow, if she lays in our bed all day, I'll wash them again before we go to bed. I just like try to keep us from like crossing germs. So I'm doing that, and like I said, she's in the bath and we're just gonna hang out tonight, so let's get into it. Okay, while she's in the bath, I'm gonna go ahead and try all my merch on for you, because I'm super excited. Now this is the first one. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw a sneak peek of this, and it says less is more. Move my hair out of the way. And I did custom design all of these by myself. I picked out the font. I did this all on the computer, and I just love this saying. It just goes with like how I live and how, I don't know, just how I want life to be. I want it to be less stuff and just more fun, and so I thought this would be a great quote for a shirt. I love the design. I love that you can almost read it, but you kind of can't. And then I'm all about sweatshirts, and this is super soft. I'm super happy with like the length, the way it fits. I do have a size medium. I bought mediums in all my tops, so if you see them and I forget to say anything, it's a medium, and I feel like it fits really true to size. It's very comfy. I feel like you can like dress this up real cute or dress it down. I've ordered it with yoga pants. You can wear it with like a cute jacket, but I am super excited for this sweatshirt. So this is number one. Okay, and look, number two, I did the same design in a t-shirt. I know not everybody needs sweatshirts, or not everybody wants one, and so I really wanted to put it on a t-shirt for you guys. Now I chose this like lighter gray color, and I do love it, but there'll be different options. So I did a lot of like whites, grays, dark gray. I think that I chose like 3 different colors, and definitely check sizing, because different shirts come in different sizes. So if you're looking for a particular size, you might check a different color because they might have it. But once again, it's just that same less is more. I will say, out of everything, I think this one runs a tad big. Not that you like need to size down, but if you wear it big already, you may want a small. Now I'm happy with the medium. I would still get it, but I will say this is a little bit looser and longer than the other ones, which to me is fine, because like when I wear yoga pants, I like to cover my bum, and then when I wear jeans, I just kind of like pull it up like that, or you can like do the cute like tuck-in style. And I just think it's like a cute little trendy top, but it's so much fun. So this is look number 2. Okay, and this is look number 3. You guys know my style. I'm definitely like a gray t-shirt and a jeans type of girl, if not yoga pants. This saying I did on this is be happy, be the light, and be you. Chase helped me come up with this, and I just love it because I feel like this is what my channel, I want to like come off to you guys. I want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to be the light of the world, and I want you to be yourself while you're doing it. And I try to live this out for me. So I love this saying. Once again, this will come on like all different colored shirts. There's white. This is the little bit darker gray. So there's one step above this, and then the step below this was the previous gray I had on. I feel like this fits. Like I said, it's still loose, but the other one was just a little bit bigger. But you can still see there's plenty of room in this. I'm very happy with the size. I feel like it's true to size. And I'm so excited to wear this one out. I've been trying to save them. I haven't worn them yet, but I really do like this one. Okay, here's look, I want to say 4, but I could be completely off right now because I don't feel well. But I put my logo on. I just didn't feel like it would be merch unless I did some with my name. And I love how it turned out. Now, in real life, this is more like a rose color peachy, but it didn't come out that way. You guys can tell it's a little bit, it has a peach to it, but it's not as blush. But I really like the way it turned out on this gray. And once again, this is a medium. I love the way they fit and they're flowy, like, and I did, just so you guys know, I chose all unisex shirts. So none of them are like women's fitted. I don't like fitted shirts by any means. So these are all like unisex fitted V-neck shirts. I love the quality. I've wore this same style of shirt for years because I used to have like my Oki shirts, if you guys followed me from the very beginning, and you'll see me start wearing them in the summer. But I have a lot of Oki shirts that are on the same t-shirt, and I love it. So there is this one. Okay, and here's the next one. So I had to put it on a hoodie. I love hoodies, and I loved the logo. And a lot of you guys talked about quality. You wanted high quality. So as far as this hoodie goes, this is the cheaper version. I also put it on like a nicer quality hoodie, and that's the one that hasn't come in yet. If you follow me on Instagram, I took a poll if you guys wanted me to put this up Friday without it or wait until like next week, and you said go ahead and put it up. So it'll look exactly the same, but it will be on a higher quality sweatshirt. When I get that in, I'll definitely talk about it on my Insta stories and my next vlog to compare the two. But guys, this is the cheaper one, and I think it's awesome. Once again, it's a medium. You can put this on any color. I have white, I have black, I have different colors you can put it on, different grays. It fits super well. It's not like super huge, but it's not fitted by any means. It's got my logo on it. So yeah, this is this look. Okay, the last few, I'm just gonna show you sitting down. I do have one more shirt, and this is kind of the tip I wanted to tell you guys. So this last shirt, the quote says, "Be the light." And if you can tell, it's kind of hard to see. I did black font. Now this is the darkest gray, but it's like the softest shirt. So there's two options. If you want Be the Light in black, I would definitely put it on a lighter gray or the white. But I went ahead and went back in and made Be the Light in white. So if you do want this dark, like really soft dark gray, I would go ahead and do that with the white font. So you will have two options for this, but I just feel like with the black writing, you can hardly see it against the gray when you're wearing it. And I mean, you can see it, it's just not as big of a contrast. But I will say, out of all the gray shirts, this is by far the softest. So that's always an option. But just remember, if you're getting black font on any of my shirts, you may want to stay away from the dark gray, otherwise you can't see it as well. You can just go down the one level. Let me grab the other one for you. Okay, let me show you the different grays so you can kind of get an idea when you're ordering. So this is like the medium gray, and see how you can see that font so much better. And then this is the light gray, which it definitely stands out. So this is like a light gray, there's a medium gray, and there's like a dark gray. So that's all gray, 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 I know. And then there's a few more things. So I also got stickers put on there. So if you guys would want to stick this onto anything, you could do it on notepads, spirals, planners. computers, cars, whatever you want to put it on, folders, your mirrors, wherever you would want to stick that. I went ahead and did those for you. I thought that would be a cheap option just in case you don't have a big budget and you want to support the store or the merch. You could definitely just pick up one of those, and they come in different sizes. And then I had to do a coffee mug. And I did a sneak peek on this on my very last vlog, and I only think like one person noticed it. I think you guys just thought it was mine, or you weren't even paying attention, but I thought everybody would catch it. But we've also got this mug with my logo on it, and it's on both sides. And I went ahead and just did the white mug. I tried it on like black and gray, but like the handle stayed white. I just didn't like the way it turned out. So that is all my merch for the first round. So once again, let's like recap. Remember, you can choose different colored shirts for the different font, and those shirt colors come in different sizes. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Some are bigger, some go smaller. I tried to do a wide range of all that. You can order, they ship internationally, and as far as the budget goes, everything that they suggested for me to price them at, I went below it. I tried to make this super affordable for you guys while I make just a little bit, so I wasn't completely doing it for free. And this is through Teespring, so I'm gonna leave their link down below in my description box, but there should also be like a box right here underneath me with it popping up with like pictures of my merchandise. If it's not, it will be eventually. But that's where you can order it. If you have any problems, it will be going through them. We don't handle any of it, so they'll be making it and shipping out to you. And this isn't one of those like campaigns where you have to wait for so many people to buy. So it'll just keep shipping out as you buy it. So I just want to thank you guys in advance just for all your support and encouraging me to do it. I had so much fun designing this stuff. So if you want more, let me know. As far as that company, I can't do many other items, but I'm open to finding a different company if you guys want more creative stuff and like away from clothes or more clothes or planners. Just definitely like let me know down in the comments what you're looking for. Whew, that was a lot when you can barely talk. So I'm gonna take a break and go check on Savannah. It's 6:05 and Chase just got home. He brought me, of course, Olive Garden. So I'm eating soup and breadsticks and of course my peach tea. And then he is gonna start, not sponsored, but a home chef meal. He's gonna make this tonight. And he's probably gonna make this one so he has it for lunch tomorrow. But like I said, this isn't sponsored. This is just what he's fixing. And then Savannah's having, I just showed you, she's having oatmeal and then toast. That's what sounded good to her. So we're kind of all doing our own thing tonight. Okay, I just finished eating. You can probably hear Chase cooking. It's right here. I went by my P.O. box 2 or 3 days ago. You guys can tell I'm like getting worse as the night goes.
I was gonna say, you're not sounding good.
I'm not. And I got a sweet gift from Nicole, and she sells jBloom. there's her information. I'll leave her information down below. But she sent me and Savannah really sweet gifts. This is what she sent Savannah. And they are so pretty. And Savannah's so excited to wear them. I wouldn't let her open them until I filmed this. And then she sent me these earrings, which are perfect. I love mixing metals. So I love that it's silver and gold. So thank you so much, Nicole, for sending that. And I'll leave her information down below, because you can tell she sells stuff, and they actually have some really cool jewelry. I was going through it. So definitely look into that if you're needing a gift or just something for yourself.
I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're fine.
Okay, I wanted to jump on here and thank you guys real fast before I ended this. You guys have been so good to me, and you guys are being so loyal and watching the ads on my video that I'm getting to be very particular with my sponsorships. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I haven't really done much lately. And not that I won't, but I feel like you guys are being so good to me through watching those ads or using my links to purchase things, that it's put me in a situation that I don't have to do those if they don't fit into my channel. It's not something that like, oh, I need to get paid, so I need to, you know, do 2 a month. So I really appreciate you guys. Not that you won't see them, but I just like making sure it's something you guys want to see. It's something that fits within my channel, and that they're being fair to me, and it's a company I want to work with. And you guys have made that possible. Not that you won't see multiples some months. If there's some really good ones, I'll do them, you know, as many as I need to, or as few as I need to. So thank you guys so much for that. If you're new, I'd love for you to subscribe. I've been posting every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and then most Fridays. That is my flex day. So if I'm gonna take a day off, I tend to do that one, but it's very rare. So I will have a new cleaning video posted this Sunday, so make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on. And if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You got me out of this fever.